In response to the Navy's accidental firing of the supersonic anti-ship missile, the head of China's Taiwan Affairs Office, Zhang, was up in arms, calling it an extremely serious incident. KMT lawmakers were concerned that without an acceptable explanation, China could view the incident as a deliberate provocation staged by Taiwan on the day of the Chinese Communist Party's anniversary celebrations.
At the sensitive moment when top Chinese leaders were celebrating the 95th anniversary of the founding of the Chinese Communist Party in Beijing, and Chinese leader Xi Jinping was reiterating that Taiwan and China should adhere to the 1992 consensus, Taiwan's Navy accidentally fired an anti-ship missile into the Taiwan Strait.
The mainland has repeatedly stressed that the peaceful development of cross-Strait relations, as well as Taiwan's stability, needs to be safeguarded on the political basis of the 1992 consensus. I feel the influence of this incident will be extremely serious. We need the authorities in Taiwan to give a responsible explanation and tell us what happened.
With Zhang sounding so serious, KMT lawmakers worried that the incident could worsen the current state of cross-Strait relations.
July 1st marks the Chinese Communist Party's 95th anniversary celebrations. If this incident isn't handled properly, August 1st marks the anniversary of the founding of the People's Liberation Army. It might be possible that they mistakenly shoot another missile into the Taiwan Strait towards us. Reports in the Chinese media called this a provocative act aimed at the CCP anniversary celebrations and said that communist forces could retaliate in only 5 seconds with a surface-to-surface missile.
Johnny Zhang pointed to Chinese media reports, saying that after the missile was accidentally fired, China seemed to be preparing for a counterattack, which was eventually halted by a clarification from Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense.
We are fully aware of the movements of the PLA and have not detected any abnormal behavior.
Even so, observers in Taiwan cannot help but worry that if the Taiwanese government does not manage the mishap properly, it could create a potentially explosive political and military situation, given the current sensitive state of cross-Strait relations.